Okay, so I finally did the Fister hack. Here are the original stock exhausts. I thought about doing it myself, but I don't think I have the skill sets to do a quality job. So I called Darren Fister. He was available to receive them. He didn't have any in stock already done, so I asked whether he would just do mine, and he said no problem. It took about a week, so I dropped them off in Brentwood, California. This is a shop. It was pretty cool being able to drop them off and then pick them up. They're only about 30 minutes away from where I work. Um, Anyways, here are the modified exhausts. I think they came out really well. The welds are really nice. The next series of clips are the exhausts on the actual vehicle as I'm reassembling it. I don't think the ceramic coating is worth it unless it reduces the heat by a significant amount, which is, I don't know if you would even tell, but you don't see them, and they're significantly more expensive. They're like close to $300 more. You'll see what once the heat shields are on, how you don't actually see the exhaust at all, really. So I think just the standard coating is fine. In terms of the sound, like they're relatively better than the stock exhaust, but objectively, they're okay. For a sports car, I don't think they're anything, you know, to write home about. There's a couple YouTubers out there that talk about how like it's the best mod they ever did and whatnot. And I would agree in the sense it's a good mod to do, but the sound of these exhausts aren't objectively like incredible. They're relatively very good, and that's just because the standard exhausts are so quiet. But that being said, I think it's worth it to get this modification done. If you did it at a local shop, I don't know how good of a job they would do and how much it would cost, but I think that um, Darren Fister does a very good job, and it's of high quality, and it's worth it to go with him. Like I said, it's only about $600. Anyways, the last couple clips are just with the heat shields on. I should mention that you need to put the bumper on before you put the side heat shields on. That was a mistake that I had realized afterwards. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. You can be the judge of whether you think the quality is objectively good. I think it's much better than stock, like I said. All right, that's it.